Hey, what's up guys? My name is Neil and today we're going to be making corned beef omelets. Go. So first thing you'll need 2 cans of corned beef, 4 eggs, onion, some minced garlic because I'm too lazy to cut, salt, and pepper. So first thing we're going to do is cut the onion. But all you really want to do is cut this onion really small, like dice it up. As you can see, I'm not that great of a cook. But maybe 1 onion is a little bit too much, but I like onions, so I'm going to use whole onion. Alright. What you want to do also is just always keep your workspace clean. So I'm going to throw this away. And so here, we're going to mix the eggs. 1. Whoa, one-handed! 2. 3. Woo. No shells! 4, baby. Put the eggs in here. Whoops. And so here I'm gonna put the minced garlic in and actually make sure that the garlic isn't expired because I don't even know if this is expired or not. It is still. It is? Oh. I'm gonna put some salt. Just kind of eyeball it. Not too much because
corned beef's already salty.
Corned beef's already salty, yeah. Some pepper. Doesn't really matter how much you put in. Just your preference. More pepper, more flavor. Now we start mixing, baby. Oh yeah, and onions. Some oil, spray can oil.
That's a lot, dude.
Oh, it is? Oh. Start cooking.
Don't forget yung telephone.
Hey, what's up guys? So today we're going to be making, what? Hey!